How to get dual camera features on any Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through on how to get dual camera features on any Android phone. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First thing first, you need to make sure that your Android device is compatible to use dual camera features on your device. But if your Android phone has not that compatibility, then you can easily download and install the dual camera application from Play Store or App Store. Simply launch Play Store application and with the help of the search icon and the search bar you can type in dual camera application and you will see the list of cameras. You can download any one of them and install on your device. Then you need to launch the application and allow the permissions. You can use the app features and with that you can even record your video using the dual camera features as well. When you open your camera on your Android phone and check the built-in feature with the help of the setting icon at top right, you will see that there is no such features right now on my camera. But if you have built-in feature that you don't need to install third-party applications. So I hope this guide was informative. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.